Hello and assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we are going to see the paper pattern of AS accounting, which is 9706 Cambridge. So we are talking about two papers that we are going to do in AS. That is paper 1. Okay, now if I'm talking about the paper 1, so it means that we are talking about something that is MCQs. So in this paper you will be given 1 hour and you have to do 30 MCQs, and they will be all around the syllabus. The last few MCQs will be from the costing portions, so you should always remember that the last MCQs will be from costing, and the other MCQs will be from the financial portion. So moving forward, you have paper 2. Alright, in paper 2 we have question number 1, that is a structured question, which is of 30 marks, and that will be specifically from the financial portion. And then after that, when we move towards the question number 2, that question number 2 is also a structured question, also from the financial portion, but that will be of 15 marks, and that will be from the financial portion as well. Okay, now moving towards question number 3. So the question number 3 will be from the financial portion as well, which will be on something like depreciation, provision, and other control accounts and stuff like this, that they can make the 15 marker out of it, including a theoretical and numerical portion. And the next one is the question number 4. Question number 4 actually is from the portion what we actually call the costing portion, and this comprises of 30 marks, and that will be specifically from cost and management accounting portion. So that is the paper pattern for AS. The paper 1 will be MCQs, and paper 2 will be the structured question. Okay, now talking about the time frame of the paper 2, it is 1 hour and 45 minutes, as it has been updated by Cambridge recently in that 2023 attempt. So for more videos, you can subscribe my channel, and you can also get to know about how to do accounting in a proper manner and how to score a good grade to get into good university. All the details will be mentioned. I'll see you in the class. Thank you.